19 Principles of Accounts. Past question number 2. The bank charges levied on a current account holder. Levied on a current account holder is the charges on option A says transaction. Transaction is charged. Transaction charges is done on every account, whether current or savings. So once an account holder, there's a debit, there's a credit, you will always be charged an SMS alert. So which is part of charges too. Turnover is number of times transactions occurs in your accounts. Then transfers in, to, and from is also an item, but not only current account does all those kind of this thing. Then we'll talk about cash received. Every account receives cash. So the only account that has bank charges as with respect to turnover is current account. It's a current account, which is option B, turnover. Thank you, and please subscribe for more past questions.